injured.
The Meghalaya unit of BJP yesterday celebrated party's hat-trick victory in Haryana Assembly election. Earlier, the party leaders also held a meeting and discussed about the upcoming elections in the state. BJP President Rikman Momin said that only few leaders have left the party and leaders who are true to the party still supports the party in Meghalaya. He also said that the victory in Haryana will inspire the party here to work harder and win the 2028 assembly polls.
Words, I thank you. I think
have this victory because you have seen in the news earlier will be in 2020.
today, mainly why we are gathering here is because our celebration for Haryana, which we have been always hearing that BJP is out of seat, mostly everywhere in election. But this time, God has sent a miracle to our party again. After we are not given for a ticket for MP election, now we are working hard. Everyone, those who are not real BJP, they are going away from us. Those who are actual BJP and who is fully supported us and which really wants to build our own party, they are now with us.